I am Biju Balasubramanian, born and brought up in Bangalore, and I am working as a operation manager for the past 25 years.
So my name is Sudha Nair, and I have also been born and brought up from in Bangalore. Basically a Keralite, but is settled in Bangalore. So I am working for Kluber Lubrication, and it's in near the town hall. I am working as a business support for the marketing department. So we decided to build the house somewhere around in the beginning of 2019, and we almost took around 3 to 4 months only on the planning because the plan kept on changing, and it was at least 15 times that we must have changed the plans because we were very particular about the whole house being as per the Vastu. So Vastu was our most important thing which we were looking for, and the next important thing was the air and the lighting. So after 10 to 15 times, I think we came up with this plan, and that was the best thing which happened. And it was really helpful that we could make this as a final plan. We preferred having an independent house rather than a flat because of, first of all, it was the privacy part. Next, it is I think the apartment rules which are already there, and I don't think we would have got adjusted. Thirdly, the depreciation of the flats values, and so that is also a most important thing which we considered. That's why we built an independent house rather than going for a flat.
We checked on many of the contractors, but we wanted to go with a reliable contractors because with the local contractors, previously I had a very bad experience when doing some maintenance for our old houses. So that's why we wanted a reliable contractors, professionals who have quality check, and wherein we can go with an agreement with the contractors, and having all the people and the timelines and the schedules. So that was the main reason we wanted to go with a professional contractor.
Yeah, we got to know about Hightower Constructions through Google because we were going on searching for many people and many construction people who can or builders who could construct the house. But we felt that Hightower would be the best people to do this projects, and that's why we chose Hightower. It was so nice of Narayan and Mohan to go on changing the design and help us understand how it would be there. Like they were always telling that how this would look. That was what they were trying to tell us. And occupying means not wasting the space was their idea, and that is what they even told us, that we are not supposed to waste their place. And that is where we felt they were really cooperative, completely friendly, and telling us, guiding us all the while.
And they had done multiple times of changes in the design as per our request, because the designs kept on changing. When we went and saw other houses, we got fresh ideas. So they didn't hesitate in changing the designs, and they incorporated all the changes which we requested even at the last moment. And there were a lot of changes done at the last moment also. They incorporated, and they were very friendly and cooperative in completing the work.
Overall experience with Hightower Construction, where they were really cooperative. They were always there when we required them. They come for inspection, and in case at the time of building also, if something was going wrong and we wanted them to change it, they were always there, and they would always suggest that yes, this would be better and this can be done much better, or show us that this would see, this is how it would look, and so you should go with it. It may be with the selection of the tiles, it can be selection of the doors, and at every point they were there with us and were supportive, cooperative in every moment, in every phase of the building.
The start of the project, it was a very the COVID had initially started, and we had the first lockdown when we just started the foundation. So it was really, what I say, challenging for both the contractors and for us. They had completed the project as per the promise what they had told. So we thank them for completing the project. Like once the construction is over, and if you want to make any changes after once the construction is done, it is really tough to make the changes. So in fact, we had a couple of changes done after the construction happened. It was really a tough task. So we always suggest that we have to plan before the construction is started.
Our suggestion to anybody who's constructing house is first to go with the planning, because the planning is the most important phase before constructing. So for every planning, if you really understand where what is coming, that would help you better. And so for that, I think you will need Hightower people with you to do the planning, and also give the construction of your house. They will really help you how to do all the things better. More than the construction, I think the relationship or the bonding which we have built with Narayan and Mohan is something different, because they are very friendly, they are so cooperative, and you can always tell what we want, and they are always there.
Like since two of them are available at any point, if Mohan is not reachable, Narayan is always reachable, or if Narayan is not available, Mohan is reachable. So since two of them are available at any time, and we could call them at any time in the midnight or in the morning, or any time we could call them and discuss on the project. So they were really cooperative in that way.
We would always recommend Hightower constructions to others, because when we did the Grah Pravesham itself of our house, and when the people were having their lunch, and they were really impressed with the way that the houses come out, and they were like, who are your contractors, please let me talk to them. So we would like to thank Hightower for being with us, and wishing them all the best for all their future endeavors. Namaste.
Namaste.